Stop trying so hard to make money. Do this instead. Hooponopono. What if the reason money feels heavy isn't because you are not trying hard enough, but because something inside is still holding tension around it? Today we are not going to chase money harder. We are going to clean the feeling behind it. Take a slow breath and just listen. Many people believe that more effort always brings more money. So they push, plan, overthink, and carry silent pressure every day. But sometimes, the harder you try, the more resistance you feel. In Hooponopono, we don't force change from the outside. We gently clean the memories and emotions within us, especially the feeling of fear, lack, or pressure connected to money. This is not about giving up action. It is about releasing the emotional weight behind action. Notice how your body feels when you think about money. Is there tightness, worry, the feeling that you must control everything? These feelings are not your enemy. They are simply old memories asking to be released. Instead of trying harder, we can pause and clean. Right now, silently repeat inside, "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." You don't need to know exactly what you are cleaning. Just allow the words to soften whatever is ready to be released. Imagine every pressure you carry about money gently dissolving. You are not forcing success. You are allowing space for clarity. Repeat slowly. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. So I love you." If thoughts come, let them pass. If emotions arise, let them be. Cleaning is not effort. Cleaning is permission to let go. Sometimes money begins to flow more easily, not because we worked harder, but because we stopped fighting ourselves inside. When the inner pressure softens, decisions become clearer. Creativity returns. Opportunities feel lighter. Hooponopono reminds us, peace comes first. Solutions follow naturally. If this moment helped you feel a little lighter, stay here for a few more breaths. You don't have to rush. You don't have to force. Just clean, gently, and allow life to move with you, not against you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next release within session.